On behalf of Somali government and the people, I would like to welcome and thank you to the Toyota company to reopen their offices in Somalia. We are very glad and we welcome the Toyota other multinational companies to back to Somalia. Actually, I am happy. I am glad to be here and to be part of the reopening of the Toyota office in Somalia, which is actually, as the previous speaker said, will encourage our Somali diaspora who are now outside of the government, outside of the country, and also the international multinational companies to back to Somalia. After nearly 30 years of instability, insecurity in Somalia, which we are really, as Somalis, sorry, and now we are glad that our country, our system, our governance, our public and private institutions are back and getting strong. We like to welcome and tell our international partners, our previous international companies who used to have offices here, that Somalia now is getting peace and stability, and there is a lot of opportunities in Somalia. So we multinational companies to back to Somalia to take part the development and encouragement of our people to have work here, to have job creation like the Toyota company is started today. So I like to thank you to Toyota company, to SKI and SKI company, and the others who are here in Somalia today and taking part to create jobs for Somali youth. And we also encourage and welcome the other international companies to be back to Somalia, to follow with Toyota, and to open their offices here in Somalia. So thank you so much, and we are glad today to open Toyota office in Somalia, and we also wait and welcome the other international companies to back to Somalia. Thank you. Af Somaali. Haya in yara idin dhahay idar way dilahay. Okay.